And by your support, it's within the realm of possibility that that Council of State will vote this morning to take on the federal government. But, and wouldn't that be great? But it's also within the realm of possibility that politics will rear its ugly head and they just won't do it. So I'm here to tell you about an initiative that hopefully will inspire them when we get back in session in 6 weeks. Senator Berger and myself have drafted a bill that I'm going to tell you about called the Healthcare Freedom Act, Protection Act, and it'll be public soon. We've circulated it to the Speaker to invite Democrats to join on. We've circulated it to other senators to see if they would join on. But if they don't, we're Senator Berger in the Senate, myself in the House, with Representative Tillis, Representative Burris Floyd, and Representative Barnhart, who are our Health Committee chairs, will do it. Let me tell you a little bit about it and why we're going to do it so that you can be informed when you debate this with your friends. The U.S. Congress has certain powers under the Commerce Clause, but there are a lot of court decisions that say that doesn't mean the federal government controls everything. They only control interstate commerce, and there's a whole lot in healthcare that is not interstate commerce. And we have a 9th Amendment and a 10th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution that says that the rights not explicitly given to the federal government are reserved to the people and the states. Yes. And we have a Declaration of Rights in North Carolina that reserves to the people certain things. And we believe that this bill tramples on those fundamental rights because for the first time in known recorded history, it forces people to buy something that they didn't want to buy. Now, we cannot deal with every aspect of the health care bill at the state level, but we can deal with this. And this bill does 4 things, and the first thing it does is requires the Attorney General to sue the federal government on behalf of the people to stop this nonsense. The second thing it does, pursuant to the 9th and 10th Amendments to the U.S. Constitution, it says that as a matter of North Carolina law, you will not be compelled to buy any kind of particular medical care or any particular health insurance. That's a matter of freedom for you. Yeah. The third thing it does is say that nobody in North Carolina is going to interfere with your right to pay directly for health services that you want. The fourth thing it says is that there's not going to be any taxes or fees or fines imposed upon you for not doing those things that you have a right not to do. Yeah. So it's pretty clear. It takes only one page. When it's finally printed, it'll only be 1 page. It's not 2,800 pages that you have to wade through, and I think you'll get the point. So I hope that when we introduce this, that you will talk to all your representatives of all parties and ask them to support this. If they won't do it in May, then Senator Berger and myself have pledged that if we have a majority, it'll be the first order of business next January.